Hey guys, you probably want to get promo codes for Draftkings, but there's not actually any actual promo code that you go ahead and put in. You basically just sign up and deposit $5 as a minimum deposit, okay, and as a minimum wager. And these are the eligible, states. You can do it on any kind of bet, and you do that for just $5, and they actually give you $150 in bonus bets instantly. Okay? And when you bet this $150 amount, whatever you win from this wager you make, you can keep that. Okay? You just have to make an initial minimum $5 deposit and wager to actually qualify. Okay? And whether you win or lose, it doesn't matter. DraftKings will actually issue you six $25 bonus bets that you can use on any sports betting market within 7 days, which amounts to $150 in bonus bets, right? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.